my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing a flip through of my completed Grow Girl journal for my March 2019 devotionals. Now, it is the end of the month and, well, I haven't done one single devotional in it, but I did complete all of the decorations, so I kind of have a plan for what I'm going to do with it. I think I'm just going to go in and like write the scriptures out. So at least I have something in the book and I feel like I did something. So that's what my thought process is. We'll see if that actually happens, but at least I completed it. It looks really cute. And I actually really was inspired by this whole collection. I loved working in this book. So let's go ahead and show you. So these are, if you don't know, these are journals from Chic. She does a monthly collection, and this was her Grow Girl one, which was her March collection, and she is working on her April one, which is called Timeless, I think, and I'm really excited about that. But I will leave her channel link down below. You can get all the information, flip through and all that stuff. I think she said she might have a few more left, so if you're interested, I really, like I said, was very inspired by this collection. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it flipped through. So this is the front cover. I'm not really thrilled with it, but I plan on putting something here to kind of as a title page. So I'm still working on this one a little bit. But basically I just put this doily here and then put some of the doily down here and use a little index card and collaged up some stuff. And then I put a little ruffle right here on this side. This is part of the book. This is part of the actual book. It's sewn into the book, and I just made it a pocket. I like doing that. And then this one is just a tag. I actually did this whole thing on a journal with me, so if you're interested in checking that out, I'll leave a link in the description box. And there's a little tag here that just slides in there. And then this has a little tag too that I can do journaling on the back. Okay, and then, oh, I did add this little thing here and a little sticker here from before. Okay, and then for this one, I put one of these stickers. I had one more sticker left from my Dollar Tree haul, or my Dollar Tree journal with me that I did. And then this sticker came from the Let Go and Let God sticker I used in my journal or my happy planner. This was actually part of the sticker, like at the very top of the wall decal. It had a little like sticker or picture of what the sticker looked like. So it itself was a sticker too. So I just peeled it off and used it in my book. And then, so this is one of the little packs that came with the collection. I thought that was really cute to put with a carrot. And then I just used this little tag that she had already stamped Happy Spring onto, and I just made that kind of a top loading pocket. And then let's see, I did this one on the Dollar Tree one. This was not a Dollar Tree sticker, but I just stuck that on there. And then yeah, just put a sticker there, and then this is my lemon page. I did that in the journal with me. Stuck this little apple sticker on here, put the little Tim Holtz page that she had in the collection in this little pocket with a little label that says Think Happy. And then again, this was part of my Dollar Tree journal with me that I did on my channel. This was this page right here was a collage page that I did. So I had cut this to fit in the book, and then I had some extra left over, so I used that here. And then this was the tag that came in the collection, so I just put that in the pocket. And then yeah, just added some stickers to that one. This I did a journal with me as well. So again, like I said, I was really inspired by this collection, so I did quite a few videos on this. But I did add this little So Many Seeds, So Little Garden sticker on there. I just thought that was cute. And there is a magnet there, so it just closes. I really love how this page turned out. And then this was my tomato page. I just added this little wheelbarrow here. I thought the farm to table was cute to have a little wheelbarrow. But again, I did this on my Dollar Tree Journal with Me. And then this was the middle page. So this paper right here was part of the collection. It was like a 6x6 paper pad. And I did this little thing where I cut the little wreath out and then made it part of this little collage. And so I was inspired by that and just the paper in general. So what I did was I just cut out all of the images in the paper and then kind of placed them depending on, like, you know, this one was on that side, so I used that, and then I just put these little tiny little stickers that I had from, what collection was this from? I wonder if it says. No, I don't have anything that says it. I'm sorry, I don't know what collection's from, but it was just like little word stickers, so it just had little sayings on there. I thought these were really super cute little sayings. They're all kind of like about growing or flowers. So, and then I used the Grow Girl. This came from the top of this little section. I'm keeping this as well because I love that image. So I'm going to keep that for future use. But I just cut that out and then just journal. And then I also stenciled on the background before I put down everything. And I'm really happy with how that turned out. I really think it's pretty. And then I did put the little heart punches on there, but I only used one of them just because I just wanted to have one hanging out instead of two. And then I just added some lace here on the side, and then I did put one of the glossing bags on there. And this was this was like the claim check that came with the collection. So I just put this little cutout piece from one of the little tags I got, a couple of the tickets, another one of those stickers, and then I'm just put that in the glossing bag. And then this was actually leftovers from something that I did over here, so I'll show that to you in a second. So I just stuck this in here too, just to have that as part of something I could use if I want to. And then with the subtraction time, or this really cool flashcard, I just put the sticker. This came from the Let Go, Let God sticker. So I just put that on top of it. I didn't really want to have a lot of bulk on the sticker, so or the tag, so I didn't add a lot to it, but I think it still looks really cool. I like that the green is poking out. And then I just kind of collaged on this. This was part of the collection. And then I just had this little cut apart from something else. And then I did add in a flip here. So this was also part of that collage paper. So this paper. So it was part of the paper. So I just did a little like flip out with it. So I just attached that. That's what the yellow washi tape is on the side. And then I just added some stickers here at the top, and then I did this whole thing on my channel already, the Dollar Tree one. And then for this one, I glued down this bag to this paper because I just wanted it to have like the full. I had already stuck these stickers onto there from the Dollar Tree sticker pack that I got, and then I just included this little journaling card in here with a little bit of lace sticking out of it. And then this is the little pocket. So this was part of the journaling book. Again, I haven't done my journaling, so I wanted to like limit the number of pages that was in the book because I'm a completionist and I have to have all the book completed. So in order to eliminate some of the pages, I actually glued this page onto this book, to this page, and then I just made it a pocket and added some stickers, and then I used this. I'm going to use this as a journaling card, and I just stuck that into the pocket, and I like how that looks. I think it looks really cool with that sticking out. And then here's another one of carrots. stickers. This was the leftover remaining piece of the collage paper. And I just added this little sticker that says Seasons of New Beginnings, and it says dig a little deeper. And I think that's really cute because it actually fit in this little half circle. And so I just stuck that on the sticker. I think there was like a little page number or something like that on that hole. So yeah, so I used all of that collage paper up. I don't have any of it left. And then with this, this was another one of those little packs that came with the collection, and I wanted to use this as a little tuck spot, but I did take off the backing of it because I liked the back because it said like lettuce and stuff. I don't know, it had like, I thought it would be a good thing to collage with. So I did cut the bag open, and then I took the back piece off and just adhered it to some paper to make it a little bit more stable. And then I just glued up on the sides, and so now it's a little tuck spot. I can tuck something in there. And then this was another one of the stickers, a little zucchini sticker from the Dollar Tree. I just attached that and then put some another little of those word stickers on to this little tag. And then the back page doesn't have anything. All right, well, that's it. I just thought I would share that with you. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.